One out. 2 outs. 3 outs. 4 outs. It could go. 1 home run, $100. Out. Ball.
Let me keep getting home runs. Just go mix in the swing and miss it. You know what I'm saying? He's gonna edit it.
Why'd you swing? 7 outs. 8 outs.
He's gonna mix it in. Cool. You hit that one on camera?
Yeah. Yeah. Yo, just keep pitching. Jesus.
You got that. That is...
I'm not on Zoom. I'm not like on your face. 9 outs. Up and $200 for 2 home runs. He got nailed in a home run derby.
Did you get that?
Yes. Got nailed in a home run derby. Never saw that in my life. 10 outs.
Let me hit a few more.
Stop trying to beat him, you dumbass. Hurry up, try to get like 2 more.
Try to get 10 more?
Like 2 more.
Dude, he just gives me one over the middle. Oh, I got it. Shit. Right on here. Center it back.
Home run! Go! Hurry up, Jesus. And home run! Go! There's still time, Jesus. Just pitch. You're wasting more time taking it. Nope. Last one. And home run! Atta boy.
What?
Yep.